does not segregate a person who considers each and everyone as a member without any political affiliation of color, who is Molindwa, Vincent. Votes. So you can roll. Thank you. 11(2) of the Local Government Act. The election of a speaker shall be by a separate ballot. The word is separate. When you define the word separate, it means once you apply any other thing on that ballot, then it becomes unseparate. I request, Speaker, in our standard rules of procedure, Section 6, subsection 5, it talks of this. It says, subject to section.
I say that it is for separate ballot. Voting as speaker is a separate ballot. Even me, I'm here on the floor asking, is it mandatory that when you after voting, casting your vote, you have to take a photo? Because also he took a photo. And it's not only him, so many others. But
first, this council is guided by the standards of procedure. They are the rules that guide this council. This council is never guided by police. This council cannot be guided by the army. So, Madam Speaker, Madam Speaker, because you are the speaker right now, let the security personnel first vacate this room. Excuse me, I'm the one on the floor. Let them first vacate this room, then we proceed.
Can we speak one person at a go? Mr. Sambwa, go next. You can't eat from your plate and at the same time you want me to eat. These were your requests. These were your requests and it's what I allow. You said you want the security and you want the journalists. Unless if you want me to chase them out again.
Yes.
And I want again to assure you on this, that if you become disorderly, the law will take it upon you. You become disorderly, you harm someone, you insult someone, it's a criminal offense. You shall not be in the election at that point. The law will take it. So we are not intimidating. Know what your numbers are and what they mean. So if you put number 1, I don't know what you're communicating to me by number. So I'll go by names, and I have only 2 names that have been presented to me. For the numbers will be business for you for another time. Last speaker, that you feel intimidated when you're speaking and other people are shouting, and so do you. When you are speaking and shouting at the top of your voices, you're equally intimidating other people. I think I am equally disappointed that I see a honorable member of parliament standing, or a honorable councillor standing before the chair, electoral commission now, and point fingers at me. That's also very unfair. And it is very disrespectful. It's very disrespectful. So, this is what I guided. I think someone from around here raised the issue of numbers. And I said, to the best of my knowledge, I can't interpret a number at the moment, and I don't know the number. And so I said, I will read a ballot paper as per name. So I honestly don't know what you're talking about. This should be something between yourselves. Yeah, you don't know. So I said, when you come to vote, whether you write the number or you write the name, I'll read the name. I'll not read the number because I don't know who belongs to that number. I only have 2 names here, I don't have numbers. I have Mulindwa Vincent and Ibrahim Kaziwe. And those are the names I read on the ballot. So if the ballot paper doesn't have a name, I'll consider it invalid because I don't know the numbers.
I am very much worried when I see the honorable member representing the workers talking about issues, and the lady seated in that chair is,
We are here seated as council members of Wakiso district local government. We are part of a government entity from that naming. Madam Speaker, the whole of Uganda as a government is governed by electoral laws. The rest of other things, like guidelines, are subordinate to national electoral laws. The electoral laws of Uganda are so clear on what will validate a vote. It is not anywhere that things our colleagues are fearing constitute invalidation of a vote. We are considering this debate as an expression of fear, as an expression of waste of time, and very importantly, Madam Speaker, I think to confuse and derail this council, because even when you want to contest a vote, you contest it when the results have been announced. But it is at the moment when you are presiding over very smoothly and we are in the counting, and people, because they are fearing, speculatively they think they are losing, they now take us back.
Okay, thank you. Let me have
state, Madam Speaker.
Okay, that's okay. Let me just responding the nomination. Okay. Let's use the
going to change. Have 2 points to put if at all we want Wakiso to be elevated, we must fight together to see either we push for at least 5% as a limit to discuss, because some of you are coming from municipal and town councils where we don't get enough funds, or either to push for state status. That one I'm ready to visit any office so that we can elevate Wakiso. I know many of you are here, you are being intimidated that put numbers, put this, which is not right. The chairman has his executive. Madam Ara, this is my friend. He's here to secure us. Let's work as a team. Let's eliminate this segregation of race, colors, tribe, religion. That is not help Wakiso. Let's be consistent on what we want so that Wakiso can push, starting from you. I beg to submit. It is not convincing. As by the law, councillors, we are getting allowances as per last year collection revenue. How does it work so that you still get the same amount you got in 2021? If I'm assistant there, I'm going to change that. Wakiso is ours, all of us. You need to lift up your pockets so that you can serve your people. Electorate. So since 2016, and I served Wakiso. I served Wakiso in the first term as an annual coordinator member. Second term, I've been serving as chairperson Works and Technical Services Committee. And on record, I've made history in Uganda, not only in Wakiso. I'm the first person in Uganda to be the chairperson of building control. That law was silent since 2013. It's me who discovered it. The president has accepted that law, but we are going to also to put our views. Some of these offices are ours. We are supposed to monitor. With me, I'm just giving 2 minutes. I'm a civil engineer by diploma, but also I'm an administrator by bachelor's degree and diploma too. I've served in different categories. During this term, I've tried to transform Works Committee. If I'm given a chance to sit in that chair, I'm going to elevate Wakiso. Starting with councillors. Only called Mr. Cow and the chairman.
We are going to make sure we keep training you as leaders. Right from what we know and what we don't know. Secondly, I want to thank you, honorable colleagues. I don't know who voted for me and who did vote for me, but I guess all members in this council voted for me. I didn't see honorable members this side smiling, but I guess you also voted for me because I cannot identify who did or who didn't. But I want to thank you all. This is a new chapter. This is our district. We love it and we must move. Let us not lag behind. We must move because we are here to move. Our electorate sent us here to discuss matters, to make the district move, but not to go back and tell them why you weren't able to discuss matters that concern them. So I want to thank you all for the opportunity you've given me to lead you in the next 5 years. Like I said, the next 5 years are not going to be the same in whatever we do, with the way we think and the way we look. Without wasting too much time, because we have limited time, whatever happened, it has happened, let's forget. And let's move together as a district council. I know you're very respectable gentlemen and ladies, and we expect you to perform to that expectation. I don't have much words to say because I've been telling you this over and over again as your speaker. that I'm here to guide you. I'm here to move with you a journey of 5 years that will make us prosper in both leadership, in what we think, because I think none of you who has come here will go back the same after 5 years. I want to welcome you today for order in the house. When the keys to your office, special power for everything that is. Every time you're serving, remember you're serving the Republic of Uganda. Then your name congratulations. So let's hand him over the necessary instruments to enable him for his duties.
Wakiso District Council, I pledge to unconditionally support Ibrahim Kaziwe, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the District of Wakiso in the office of the Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of Uganda as by law established, so help me God. Uphold the Constitution of Uganda as by law established, so help me God. Ibrahim Kaziwe, so in the name of the Almighty God, that I will at times well and truly serve the District of Wakiso in the office of the Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of Uganda as by law established, so help me God. I, Ibrahim Kaziwe, so in the name of Almighty God,